Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is me Shraddha, a clinical psychologist and a productivity expert. Today we are going to understand and explore a very delicate but important topic, and this is going to help us distinguish between religious practices and delusional practices, particularly India के context में. क्योंकि आजकल हम बहुत सारे ऐसे वीडियोस एंड सोशल मीडिया पे कंटेंट देखते हैं जो कि आई फील इज मोर इंक्लाइंड टुवर्ड्स डिल्यूजनल प्रैक्टिसेस रादर बीइंग रिलीजन. ऊपर ऊपर से ये चीज रिलीजन लगती है बट इट इज नॉट. लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड इट टुडे. India is a land of diverse cultures and rich traditions. Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, and many more religions coexist here, each with its own unique practices and rituals. These religious practices are deeply ingrained in our lives, providing a sense of community, identity, and moral guidance. It's basically what connects each community with each other and forms that bond of togetherness. जब हम religious practices की बात करते हैं, it includes things like prayer, fasting, maybe attending a communal worship, or which are generally certain acts that are beneficial, which offers emotional comfort, reduce stress, and foster a sense of belongingness. However, ये crucial है to differentiate that these are healthy practices for your own spiritual and religious well-being, and we need to differentiate them from the behaviors that may be considered as delusional. Delusional practices often stem from severe mental health conditions like schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, or even OCD, that is obsessive compulsive disorder. However, ये जो ग्रुप है या फिर जो लोग अफेक्टेड हैं, ये लोग तो ब्लाइंडली फॉलो करते हैं, बट जो लोग इनका फायदा उठाते हैं, ये इंफॉर्मेशन को तोड़ मरोड़ के एंड इनसिक्योरिटीज को टारगेट करते हैं ताकि ये डिसऑर्डर्स वाले लोग डेफिनेटली इस चीज में फंस जाए. फॉर इंस्टेंस, इफ समवन बिलीव्स दे हैव अ यूनिक कनेक्शन विद अ डीटी that dictates ki harmful actions, or if they perform rituals compulsively to avoid imaginary catastrophes. These behaviors may be symptomatic of underlying psychological issues. We have now seen videos of families, children treating Lord Krishna's Murti like a child, booking air tickets for them, taking them to doctors for treatment, and so on. And even we see people admiring and blindly following god men and women, saying random advices, taking their lessons without having any logic and even a slight relevance of it in our religious scriptures. And the list goes on and on. So how can we distinguish between these two things? Here are a few key points for that. Number one, context and community acceptance. Religious practices are typically community based and socially accepted within a cultural and religious context. Delusional behaviors often appear irrational and out of context even within the same community. Number two, functionality. Healthy religious practices enhance daily functioning and well-being. Delusional practices, on the other hand, tend to impair daily activities and relationships. That is, basically, they are going to come in conflict with what you have to do. Three, flexibility. Traditional religious practices allow some degree of flexibility and adaptation. Delusional behaviors are usually rigid and resistant to change, often causing significant distress if interrupted. ये important है कि आप इस topic को sensitivity and empathy के साथ approach करो. If you or someone you know is exhibiting behaviors that seem harmful or detached from reality, it is crucial for us to seek professional help. Mental health providers like a psychologist and a psychiatrist can definitely provide necessary support and treatment to address such issues. Understanding the difference between religious and a delusional practice is essential for fostering a compassionate and supportive society. Let's respect our rich cultural heritage while being mindful of the mental health. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel for more such insights on mental health and well-being. Take care and stay healthy.